Hi, welcome back to Studio 25. So today I'm just outside Aviemore. I've taken a few clips on my way up here, so I'm going to put them in. I had a bit of troubles. My friends have moved up here from near where I stay, so it's been a bit of a drive, big venture for them, a big adventure for me trying to find their place. It's out in the middle of nowhere, just outside Aviemore, like I say. So on the way up here, I got to a little town. There was Highland Games on. I didn't know where I was going. I got a little bit of footage of the band going past and everything. The filming is terrible because of the sun. I couldn't see my fingers and thumbs, but I'm gonna put it into the clip anyway. The journey up here, and I've just come up. I've put in their cooker. I've built a wee park bench. So yeah, that's all the video's about today. Just a little bit of helpfulness really on my part. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Welcome back to Studio 25. I'm up here just outside Aviemore helping my friends. I just moved house. So today's guide is going to be building this picnic bench. We've got the instructions here and we're just going to crack on and see how it goes. Right, so what I've done is I've unpackaged everything. I've just laid everything out, made sure I've got all the parts. For some reason it looks like we've got 3 spare pieces, but we'll soon find out when we start putting it together. Did you get any? Just be short videos. Right, finally, it's taken a wee bit of time, but that's their bench all together. It was fairly simple. I laid everything out, bolted everything back together. It seems tight. It's the second one of these I've built, so I didn't really have to read the instructions too much. So yeah, I think for now it's time for me to leave you guys and get a couple of cold ones. Cheers for watching Studio 25. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.